I have so many customers sending me their reviews. One of them was so happy. She sent me her review of her fried green tomatoes. And I was like, you know what? I don't know why I never tried fried green tomatoes. So I got my little batter and went and bought me some green tomatoes. And guess what? Y'all, look at that. They was everything. Imagine eating some fried green Cajun tomatoes. Because that's exactly what this is. So anyway, that's what I fried up. That's what I did. And y'all dressed them up with them little green onions. Y'all, don't forget to put them orders in.